गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि मैथ से डिटरमिनेंट्स कंप्लीट होने के बाद हम रिलेशन फंक्शन पढ़ेंगे। रिलेशन फंक्शन को अच्छे से समझने के लिए हमें उसके बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट की जानकारी होनी चाहिए, जिसको हमने क्लास 11 में पढ़ रखा है। सेट्स क्या है, सबसे पहले ये जानना चाहिए। सेट इज कलेक्शन ऑफ वेल डिफाइंड ऑब्जेक्ट्स एंड डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स ऑल्सो, and it is denoted by the capital letter of English alphabets. I have written a set. Elements of set are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We will enclose the elements in this type of curly brackets. Well defined is very important. For example, if set of most dangerous animal of the world, it is not a set because most dangerous animal is not a well defined word. Now subsets. Subsets play a very important role to understand relation. If a set A is subset of set B, then every element of set A should belong in set B. It is denoted by A subset of B. The number of elements in set A always less than or equal to the number of elements in set B. मतलब जो सबसेट्स होते हैं उसमें पाए जाने वाले एलिमेंट सेट बी में पाए जाने वाले एलिमेंट से हमेशा कम होंगे, इसके इक्वल भी हो सकते हैं। इफ़ ए सबसेट ऑफ बी देन बी इज कॉल्ड सुपर सेट ऑफ ए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई हैव टेकन 3 सेट्स, सेट बी, सेट ए एंड सेट सी. You can see all the element of set A belong in set B, but the element of set, all element of set C does not belong in set B. So we can say A is subset of B, but C is not subset of B. How to find a subsets of a set? Maximum student only know the formula, but the number of subsets equal to 2 to the power n, where n is the number of element. So let A be the non-empty set, the number of elements set A are m, so that we can make subset of set A. So we can take a set of no element, set of 1 element, set of 2 element, and set of all elements, so that the total number of selection is equal to the total number of subsets, which is equal to MC0 plus MC1 plus MC2 plus MC3 and dot 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 MCN. I think you know phi is subset of every set, and every set is subset of itself. If phi is subset of every set, that means a set which has no element. If every set is subset of itself, that means we will select all the elements of a set. By the binomial theorem, we know that 1 plus 1 to the power m is equal to MC0 plus MC1 plus MC2 and dot 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 MCN. That's why we can write it is equal to 2 to the power n. That's why the formula, the number of subsets is equal to 2 to the power n, where m is the number of elements in the set. Now the Cartesian product of two sets. What are the Cartesian product of two sets? If A and B are two non-empty sets, then A cross B is said to be Cartesian product of two sets A and B. A cross B is equal to, we will write A comma B in ordered pair element. It is called ordered pair element for all values of A belongs to capital A and for all value of B belongs to capital B. If A comma B is ordered pair element, then A is called first component, B is called second component. Now if A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 4, 5, when we perform the Cartesian product between A cross B, we will get 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 1, 5, 2, 5 and 3, 5. The number of element A cross B are equal to the number of element A into number of element B. So we can write 3 into 2 because the number of elements in set A are 3, the number of elements in set B are 2. When we multiply 3 into 2, it is 6. A cross B is equal to 5, A or B is equal to 5, or both are equal to 5. A cross B never be equal to B cross A if A is not equal to B. A cross B is equal to B cross A if A is equal to B. So we can say the Cartesian product between two sets is not commutative always. One more important thing, if two ordered pair elements are equal, then only if their first component and their second components are also equal. Now relation. Relation is also a set. Relation, a set where the elements are given ordered pair element and R is subset of A cross B. Because R is subset of A cross B, that's why all the element of set are in R ordered pair element. That means relation R is subset of A cross B. That means the total number of relation are equal to the subset of A cross B. So set A is equal to 3, 4 and set B 7. We will perform A cross B 3, 7 and 4, 7. The number of subsets are 2 to the power 2 because the number of elements in A cross B are 2. 3, 7 is one element and 4, 7 is one element. So 2 to the power 2 is 4. So number of relation on A cross B are 4. First is 5, second one is 3, 7, third one is 4, 7 and fourth one is 3, 7 and 4, 7. That's why we can say phi is subset of every set and every set is subset of itself. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and B is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9. R is subset of A cross B. R as a relation is given here in Saint-Wildren form, x comma y such that y is equal to 2x plus 1. That means the value of second ordered pair element is 1 more than the twice of first component. For all values of x belongs to capital A and for all values of y belongs to capital B. I have written R 1 comma 3 and 2 comma 5 and 3 comma 7, you can see 1 comma 2 comma 3 belongs to set A and 3 comma 5 comma 7 belong in set B is relation. And it is a arrow diagram. This is a representation of relation A and B. So we can represent it by arrow diagram. The image of 1 2 3 are 3 5 7 and the pre-image of 3 5 7 are 1 2 3. The domain of R is 1 2 3 and the range of R are 3 5 7. So it is arrow diagram. Now set of all, one more example, set of all boys of DBS Boys Degree College Kanpur. So R is equal to A comma B, A is A sister of B. For all value of A comma B belongs to capital A. If R is subset of A cross A, then R is equal to 5, because set A is a set of all boys, because the DBS Boys Degree College is a college of only boys, so it is not possible that A and B are sister. Both A and B are belonging to that set. So this R is equal to 5. So this type of set is known as empty set. In class 12th we will learn types of sets. ओके तो स्टूडेंट आप वेट करें, जैसे ये टॉपिक ख़त्म होता है आप रिलेशन को अच्छे से तैयार कर लें ताकि क्लास 12 का टाइप्स ऑफ रिलेशन आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आए. थैंक यू.